Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live 00161 hashtag pool. A nice swimming pool. A nice small swimming pool. All right. Anyways, let's go check out what's in the notes section. Not too much on the news. I don't have anything interesting because I spent most of my day riding on my new Rad Rover electric bicycle with the fat tires and the fender. And man, I have to tell you, I had fun. I had a fun all day. I haven't had this much fun since maybe since I was a kid. Anyways, I had an issue with my water heater. It finally died on me. It is leaking like crazy. It is rusted out from within and on top. And so I actually had to ride my bike, my electronic bike though, to the fitness center and basically take a shower over there. Came back, had fun. Went up a hill, went down a hill, rode around the community, went off track, went trekking off trail, cut through a field, rode on the road. I was there with the other cars. I was going like 20 miles an hour. That's the thing about when you throttle, it only goes up to 20. If I pedal, it can go up to 25 miles an hour. But the problem is if I pedal too hard, there's an inhibitor. So if I pedal too hard, I'm putting more work into pedaling it because it only keeps me at 25 miles an hour. So I'm like at around 23, average about 23 miles an hour. But man, it was fun. It was fun. It's just almost like a scooter, but not a scooter. Anyways, so, but don't worry, I'll be going over the news. Let me go over the notes section. Let's see here. I'll be going over Bitcoin bond trading view. Still doing that. There's a link to the bond trading view. List of top 58 coins and tokens compared to Bitcoin percentage and all-time high. Flagged for shorts. It's a list of basically crap coins, scam coins, altcoins that you can short to get more Bitcoin, or you should be exiting out to get more Bitcoin. As long as you dump those altcoins to get more Bitcoins, that's the important thing. All right. And then, okay, so next in the notes section is Coinspectator, real-time cryptocurrency news aggregator. I'll be going over that. That's where I'm going to get most of my news feed so I can be socially engineered, just like how most of you are being socially engineered. And then CryptoPanic is a news aggregator platform indicating impact on price and market for traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. So let's go over that real quick. Let me see here. Let's go over that. Oh, man, this thing's blinding. All right, 3 news stories. Let's check out the 3 news stories, shall we? Make sure I'm also live streaming. Yep. All right. Excellent. Let's see. The leading altcoin of the moment, Populous. Wow. That came in 10 minutes ago from newsbtc.com. I guess I should just sell all my Bitcoin and just go, go full retard on Populous. Let's see. CoinCheck saga continues. Japan to punish exchange for massive NEM theft. Wow. Well, that's interesting. Let's click on that. Let's see what's going on with that real quick. CoinCheck saga continues. Japan to punish exchange for massive NEM. That's new economy movement. I think. I don't know. Theft. Those are the XEM coins, which are the NEM coins. Kind of confusing. I don't know why they couldn't just name their token NEM, since the name of the token is NEM. Really stupid. Anyways, let's go read what it says here. Let's just read the first paragraph. That's usually a good way to start it out. Japanese regulators are planning to hand down administrative punishment on digital currency exchange CoinCheck for failing to secure client funds in the theft of 500 million NEM tokens on Friday. The Business Improvement Order is generally administered under the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, which is the main source of securities law in the country. Okay. Well, let's see. Does it mention how much the fine is? Well, no, not really. Anyways, okay. I guess it's not a good time to be a CoinCheck user or employee or owner of a CoinCheck. Let's see, what other ones? Cryptocurrency hackers use YouTube to target computers for Bitcoin and Ripple mining. Wow, it's not even safe to watch YouTube anymore without getting some kind of mining malware. Let's see what this says. This says cryptocurrency investors in a fix as banks stop taking deposits from wallets. Well, that's got to be important, because if you're trying to cash out as the market is, turning bearish, you want to use some of that money instead of just looking at it on a computer screen. That kind of sucks. Let's check that out. Cryptocurrency investors in a fix as banks stop taking deposits from wallets. What is this all about? Okay. Looks like more banks not letting you cash out. A number of retail investors who had purchased cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Every news I read, it's always like Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. You never hear anybody says, retail investor made billions of dollars on Ripple. I've never heard that story yet, other than the founders who started the scam, the crap coins. It's always Bitcoin. They always say Bitcoin, right? A number of retail investors who had purchased cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have been left in a bind as banks are not allowing them to deposit money earned from their trading on exchange platforms. According to a report by Businessline, investors said that they were unable to either trade on some of the Bitcoin exchanges or withdraw the money they had invested into their bank accounts. Wow, well, that sucks. How are you supposed to buy an electric bike if you can't take the money out of your bank account or even from your exchange account? Man. Well, that's why you don't want to trade on exchanges. And please stop using the bank and stop using the financial systems, the incumbent system, because they don't want you to use Bitcoin. They don't like Bitcoin. It's a threat to their business model. All right. What you want to do is you want to start trading peer-to-peer and understand the full potential and use of Bitcoin. Even if that makes you a hodler, but think about it. If you did this, if you a year ago, if you took that same mindset, just go and buy some Bitcoin and just hodl it no matter what, you would have been up at least 1,000%. Am I right? 1,000%? Yeah, 1,000% at least. And you would have been able to cash out through peer-to-peer trades. But some people just want to keep using the existing incumbent system. I don't know why. The whole reason for Bitcoin was to escape from that system, which binds you, right? Which binds you to the old world. Anyways, that sucks for you guys. If you're interested, go ahead and read the article. I have another one. Let me see. I'm trying to find some interesting ones that I can kind of read out to you. Well, that's about it. You know, not too much. Let's just keep going. That's the recent news going on. Let's go to CryptoPanic. But not Crypto Coins News. I always do that for some reason. There you go, CryptoPanic. So let's take a look at CryptoPanic, shall we? All right, CryptoPanic. Let's say your Bitcoin accepted sign on 3.4 million home for sale in Miami Beach. Here's another one coming from our cryptocurrency on the subreddit. Bitcoin accepted sign. Oh, then there's an actual picture of it too. Bitcoin accepted sign on 3.4 million home for sale in Miami. I wonder if I can click onto this picture. Let's see what happens. I might have to. Oh, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's see what happens. Oh, it takes me to the subreddit. Sure. Wow, you look at that. This actually is real. It looks real. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin accepted. Golf course views. Stephen Burke. Phone number 305-215-7833. My goodness. Well, if you wanted a house, where's all these crypto millionaires when you need them? Where are they? How come they're not using their Bitcoin? I would, man, 3.4 million. If you had 3 point more, like, think about it. If you were like an old school Bitcoin hodler, like, that would only be like $10,000 probably. And here you have a chance to turn $10,000 into $3.4 million that you can actually use and live in, and go out and ride your, Rad Rover, your electric bike, over on the golf course and all over the place in Miami. Where are you guys? Where's Trayvon James? Doesn't he have like a few $1 billion? And Craig Grant, what about him? What about Crypto Nick? He should be a billionaire. Well, how come he's not out there buying these homes? Oh, they're not really rich. They're not really rich. So, man, that's kind of cool. Man, if I had that much Bitcoin, I would definitely jump all over this. No, I wouldn't. I'm not into big houses. Possessions and property seem to sometimes weigh you down at times. But it's cool. It's cool. I hope somebody buys it. I hope somebody offers Bitcoin for it. That's another use case. Let me go back here. Let's head on back to CryptoPanic. Oh, actually, I can get out of that. All right. I didn't know that. There we go. Well, that's cool. Interesting. Let me see here. What other interesting news can I see here? Let's see here. How about this one? Here's something that's getting a lot of attention. CoinCheck to refund 260,000 users their stolen NEM in yen. Market bounces back. Okay, this is interesting. Let's read this. CoinCheck yesterday promised to refund the lost money to the 260,000 victims of one of the biggest hacks in cryptocurrency trading. This revelation led to a green day in the cryptocurrency markets, with all the important tokens recovering by 5 to 6% on average. CoinCheck started in August 2014. As of 2016, the exchange had, I don't know, you have to click on that article to read more of it. It has 10 bullish, 6 important, 9 likes, and 3 saves. Somebody must be loving this. So where are they going to come up with $500 million? I don't know. I think they're going to come up with yen tether. Yen tether, Heather. There we go, tether. Anyways, here comes yen tether, everyone. How about yenther? Yenner? Yenner? Yenther? They're going to start they're going to start creating yenther, 10 million 100 million yenther in the next 5 days here. All right, let's go on here. Coinbase is holding my Ethereum hostage. What? No, not Coinbase. Coinbase would never hold your money hostage against your will. Looks like on, what is that? January, February, May. On May 20th, 2017, I bought 1 Ethereum from Coinbase for $29.50, which of course is now worth much more. However, they only took my $29.50 and disabled my account for terms of service, TOS, violation, edit, for sending Bitcoin to a suspicious wallet, never delivering the Ethereum. I also never received a refund. As such, they stole from my bank account and failed to deliver on an obligation. I've been trying to contact their support for 8 months, and the only response I get is that you have a chance to withdraw the coins before you close your account. However, this is blatantly false, as I was banned between the purchase and actually receiving the coin. So it says my balance is zeroed out. Anybody have any idea what I can do? At the very least, this is some kind of fraud or failure to perform, and I should get my $30 back. However, I think I deserve 1 ETH after waiting almost a year. I will not be posting it here, but I have a bank statement providing the transactions on this date and the lack of refund. Well, that sucks. That sucks. Let me see. Coinbase is not your friend today. That's too bad, because, you know, for $29 for $1,000, you know, that's a nice, cool, it's probably over $1,000. That's a nice $1,000. Too bad he didn't buy more before he got banned, because he would have been a billionaire, a crypto billionaire. So 3 important with 5 dislikes. Okay. What is this about? Oh, goodness. BitOasis introduces Ripple trading to Middle East markets. Wow. Oh my goodness. I should just sell all my Bitcoin and buy Ripple. This is coming from Ripple, I guess, Twitter, on Twitter there. And 13 bullish, 6 important, 5 likes, 1 save. Well, the Ripple people are loving this. They're eating this up. Let me see what else is here. It's always fun to look at some of the social media stuff. This is how you all get socially engineered. Russia's longest serving finance minister backs crypto self-regulation. which basically means no regulation. Former Russian Finance Minister Alexei Kudrin favors self-regulation in the cryptocurrency sector. He believes it will be more effective at this early stage than any imposed regulations. Others have expressed similar views about the currently proposed regime. Curtin shares his opinion on social media, commenting on the latest developments in the crypto debate. The long time. You're just going to have to click on it and read the rest of it. That has 3 bullish, 1 important, 2 likes. Let me see. What other ones are we looking at? Oh, goodness. Let's have a look at some more social media engineering. Neo. Let's see. I'm still live streaming. Neo has more than doubled its digital currency market share in 2018. Last May, when Bitcoin dropped below 50% market share for the first time ever. Really? Is it the first time ever? Okay. Neo was just 0.04 market share. January 1st, 2018, Neo was up to 0.81 market share. Oh, okay. I guess they really doubled their market share. Okay. Now, 4 weeks later, Neo is up 1.67. Okay, now they're doubled their market share. Okay, that's where they doubled their market share. Wow. Well, I should just sell all my Bitcoin and get all the cash that I have and just buy Neo on this news. Should I? Probably not. Probably not. All right, let's see what other ones. Any good ones out here? Well, nope. That's about it. So go ahead and check out Coinspectator.com as well as CryptoPanic. So pretty good news aggregators. That's where I get most of my news. And that way I don't have to watch all these lame YouTubers with their fake news for the most part and the spin they keep putting on. Next in the notes section is it's time to stop. It's time to stop with these hard forks. Like, nobody cares anymore. I don't care how much. I don't care how many times, like for 1 Bitcoin, you'll get like 1 million, Bitcoin crap, Bitcoin dirt. I'm not going to split my coins just to do the fork. All right, I'm not interested. Not putting my coins on the exchanges so I can trade on some futures, in which I'm still waiting for a mainnet to go live. Just stop it and let's focus on the coins that we have right now, like Bitcoin. Let's focus on that. Let's get some privacy, get the Lightning Network going on. Let's get some fungibility. Let's get some real stuff going on here. No more playing around. All right, next in the notes section are a list of websites and links that might be very useful. SegWit Charts, CoinCodex, LivecoinWatch, CoinGecko, Bitinfocharts, Johoe Mempool statistics. I'll be going over the Mempool. Not only will I be going over the Mempool, but I'll also go over the Bitcoin fees and do a Bitcoin chart analysis at the end of the live stream. Salome.io, transaction accelerator, but I have a feeling that nobody right now is using that transaction accelerator. I highly doubt it. And then Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash Hashrate, historical chart 6 months. All right. And next in the notes section that's been partitioned off is collecting your free Bitcoin gold coins with Coinami. Please tell me you're able to split your Bitcoin gold by now. Please. And if you still haven't, I have a link to a video I made, how to split Bitcoin gold BTG01. And if you don't have an Android, you can still use the mnemonic code converter by Coinami to split your Bitcoin gold. but you still need a Bitcoin Gold wallet. So you can go to Bitcoin Gold website, but I would be careful because you might get your Bitcoin stolen from you. All right, next in the notes section is my favorite part, BitConnect. Oh gosh, had to do it. Just can't help it, man. I'm really gonna miss talking about BitConnect eventually, and also doing the BitConnect, doing that. But anyways, class action complaint against BitConnect and all those stupid YouTube promoters that promoted BitConnect. There's a link to the complaint. If you want to join in that complaint, if you lost money in BitConnect, you might be interested in that website and into that link and that class action lawsuit. And you might want to even make contact with some of these people and join the lawsuit. And then James Bond Bitcoin Live 0017. I actually interviewed BitConnect users, 3 of them. Where are they now? Where are they now? Well, go ahead and watch the video and follow the link to the BitConnect users and see what they're doing, see what they're up to. All right, next in the notes section, finally, the last part, I have the video theme for this video and what you're looking at right now. And that's 2-year-old baby swimming in pool, in the Mempool, of course. And then you have the meme that you're looking at right now. Hashtag yes2x132. Man, look at that. Look at that baby in that small little pool with the hot mom. Man. Perfect picture. Hot mom and a little baby in a tiny mempool. Anyways, next is Pot of Gold. I have a link to Pot of Gold. Please donate to the Bitcoin Pot of Gold. The donational address is also in the notes section. It is a SegWit address. Please donate so I can give the 12th clue to the 12th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed. And so everybody, please donate so one person can walk away with all the money. All right. Now let's go into the live chat, see who's all there. See if you're still there. Maybe, maybe not. All right. Oh, Kumpal's here. Yay. There. Oh, no. This is it. All right. Kumpal's here. Oh, nice to see you, Kumpal. All right, Brian, you are first. You are first. CryptoCoder, you're second. Nice. Bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle. I like to ride my bicycle. Well, I like to ride my bicycle now too. It is so fun. I had so much fun with it. I made a video is going to be coming out of my ride. I'm actually thinking about getting a GoPro and doing some action shots with it. I've really fine-tuned my Rad Rover, my electric bicycle. The brakes don't squeak anymore because I adjusted the brakes. The tires, I actually didn't realize the tires were underinflated. I went to check the pressure on the tires with my pressure gauge, and it had no reading. And I was like, at first I thought my pressure gauge was broken, but there really was no air. There was like maybe 1 pound of air in those tires. I was like surprised. Like, well, maybe not 1 pound, maybe 5 pounds of air. Anyways, the PSI goes. They recommend if you read the tire, it actually says up to 30 PSI. That's a little too hard. I went up to 20, and even 20 is kind of hard. Actually, I think 10 PSI gives you a really smooth ride. I was riding all day today on 10 PSI, maybe even 5 PSI. I I inflated it to 20 psi today. The ride is a lot bumpier, and the seat started to hurt my butt quite a bit. Let me see. Bicycle races are heading your way, says Brian. So forget all your troubles. Oh yeah. How you doing, Brian? Good to see you. Same old, same old. All right, CryptoCar. All right. Good night, Crypto Carter. Good to see you here. Q-Bro, how you doing? Good to see you. And oh my goodness, guess who's here? Cumpball. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. Go suck a D. You still need to improve your. You still need to improve your trolling. So far, you're still at level 0. Burgers guy, welcome. I'm joining the BitConnect lawsuit. It's not my fault for being stupid and greedy. Well, you know what? It's not a very good defense, but at least it's a defense. And since there's a lawsuit going on anyway, just go ahead. Just go ahead. I mean, it couldn't hurt, right? If you can milk anything out of all those YouTubers and maybe BitConnect, that's great. I love my bike. It's so much fun, and I can't wait. I can't wait until I order the rear rack for the Rad Rover, and I'm still waiting for my foldable, my mini Rad Rover, my mini Rover. Is it called Mini Rover? No, it's called the Rad Mini. I can't wait to get the Rad Mini, and hopefully that's going to come next Friday. I'm hoping next Friday, and I'll be doing another whole complete series of videos on the Rad Mini, how to assemble it, all the problems, how to clean it, how to ride it. Let me see. I have to wait for the fenders. It does come with a rear rack. So, you know, anyways, don't worry. I'll make a video on it. I'm having fun. Let's see. Burgers guy. Leisure Picker, good to see you. Don't forget to put the seat on the bicycle. I did put the seat on the bicycle. I did. Although I'm sure Kumpal rides the bicycle without a seat. He doesn't have a seat. He has the pole, right? He has the seat stock or the seat pole, but he doesn't have a seat. That's how a Kumpal rides his bike. Burgers guy, he said, I get ads on my phone for Rad Rover now, and I blame James. Yes, I want you, and don't forget to use my code. Remember, use my code, because you can only get that discount from me and only me if you use my code. Oh goodness, Kumpal, are you gonna stick around? If you're gonna stick around, I'll let you troll all night. But you probably only I'm surprised you stuck around this long. Usually you leave right about now because you get, I don't know, maybe because you're a loser, probably. You're so poor you can't pay attention. So anyways, do you have any more words, Mr. Ball? It's Ball. Cump Ball. For me, it's like James, or it's Bond, James Bond. But for Mr. Ball here, it's Ball, cunt Ball. Yeah, no seed action. Anyways, all right, I've caught up on the live stream here. I've caught up on the live chat. Let's go on here. Let's go on the mempool. Man, the mempool shrinking. It's amazing. Matter of fact, after the live stream, put your address. If the mempool goes down to 1 Satoshi per byte, put your address in the comment section after the live stream. Put your Bitcoin address or Bitcoin Cash address. You can give me either or. I'll send you Bitcoin. I'll send you some Satoshis with a very, very low fee. I'll batch it. I'll send it out. I have some Bitcoin set aside just for this occasion where the mempool is shrinking into this little baby pool with the hot mom, you know, and just I'll send you. I'll start spamming the network so we can get the mempool going up again, because I heard, this is what I hear, Roger Ver is complaining how Bitcoin, the mempool of Bitcoin, is so low, that it's so cheap to send transactions. He's complaining about it. So go ahead and put your address in the comments after the live stream, or right now if you're watching it when the live stream is not happening, and I will send you some Satoshis. I'll batch it, send it to you, and we will flood the mempool. We will spam the mempool, so the mempool won't be this little tiny baby pool for this baby and the hot mom with it. So, but mempool shrinking, go figure. Let's see here. Let's see what you're all saying now. I'm gonna have to refresh. This. It doesn't keep up. I am trying to get a GoPro for my action bike riding. Boogers guy says the bike does look fun though, so who knows? Maybe if Bitcoin goes up again to 20K. That's if you can cash out. You know, what I recommend is right now. Okay, right now, if you do have Bitcoin, try to develop a peer-to-peer market. Either go on localbitcoins.com, paxful.com, bis.com, or bis.net, or bis.io, whatever. Wall of Coins, whatever you can. Craigslist, Backpage, the local newspaper that's online for free. You know, the online classifieds that are online. Whatever you can, try to develop your peer-to-peer trades now, because by the time the price goes up, you need to find your buyers and sellers. Okay, because if you just don't do anything now, there's nothing going to it's going to be hard for you to cash out. Like some of these people are finding that it's hard to cash out. Their bank accounts are being closed. Their wallets on the exchanges, their accounts on the exchanges are being froze. They're frozen pretty much. They don't know. They can't get it out. All the exits are tightening up, people. So get into the peer-to-peer market. By then, you'll be able to have some cash on you. Plex ASM, welcome to the live chat. You say, James, I just watched a video of a guy saying he invested his life savings in Bitconnect and wanted the returns for his autistic son. Scary. That is a shame. Well, does he know about the lawsuit? Have him join the lawsuit. Have him complain to either the state attorney general, or file a complaint to the federal attorney general, consumer protection agency. I mean, you can file complaints all over the place, and eventually, I guess he can sue whoever he wants to sue for, I don't know, damages. After all, I think this is a fact. People were selling unlicensed securities. All right. People were actually unlicensed brokers selling, advertising, all right, an unlicensed security. So someone's liable. Someone's on the hook for something. So, encourage that guy to go after the scumbags, the scammers, the losers of these of BitConnect and the promoters, and milk them good. Anyways, let's go here. Let's see what's next here. Okay, then we got that, and then what's this? Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh yeah, the Bitcoin pot of gold. I forgot all about that. All right, well let's just go over it here. Here's a QR code to the Bitcoin pot of gold. Please donate. This is the donational address in the QR format, pointing to the Bitcoin pot of gold. Donate. Take your wallet, scan it, and send all. So one of you, lucky viewers, one of you can win it all. So everybody donates, just like BitConnect and any other Ponzi or scam coin. Everybody puts money in, but only one person walks away with all of it. I think I have 11 clues to the 24-word mnemonic seed. If you want to donate, I'll give away the 12th clue to the 12th word of the 24-word mnemonic seed right here. The QR code on the right side, however, is the encrypted private key. And if you're good at cracking passwords, well, go ahead and scan it. It'll ask for a password. If you can figure out that password, all the Bitcoins are yours. I think that's about 150 bucks in there right now. So there you go. And this, for 150 bucks, I can get a nice, big, fat New York steak sirloin, whatever, and mashed potatoes in a nice fancy restaurant. 150 bucks just for me. Or if I go to a lower end, a little mid grade, like maybe Red Lobster or something like that, then you could take you and a date. If you're a guy, typically it'd be a female date, but you never know these days. All right, and the QR code in the middle right here is the link to Yellow Fever for You to his YouTube channel. He's the one that gave me this idea, so thank you, Yellow Fever for You. All right, let's see, where am I? I think that's it. That's it. It's the end of the show. I'm done. I'm done. I can't believe it. Hello, Brad Taylor. Welcome to the live chat. Good to see you. Let's see what you got. You got a wave of the hand. Well, thank you. I'll wave back to you here. Let's see here. At Brad Taylor. And let's do some emojis. Where are my emojis? Let's see. Where can I? Do I have a hand sign? Which hand sign should I use? Oh, there's a lot of hand signs here. Oh, I'll give you the fist bomb. Let's do the fist bomb. All right. That's good enough for me. I'm going to give you the fist bomb. All right. All right. Good to see you, Brad Taylor. Anyways, let's go over the mempool. I think the mempool is probably the biggest news right now. So let's go over that here. Let's see here. Johoe's mempool statistics. Let's have a look at the mempool. And if by tomorrow or anytime next week, wow, look at that. Look at that. We're in the blue section of the mempool, which is 2 Satoshis per byte. Look at that. 2 Satoshis per byte. Wow. In the blue section, 2 to 5 Satoshis per byte in the blue section right here. That's where we're looking at. That's amazing. So anything, I think if you can do 5 Satoshis, it'll probably take a while. There's over 1,000 transactions in the 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, 100 Satoshi per bytes range. So it may take a while, but the fact that the mempool is getting eaten down and going so low is amazing. If we can get to 1 Satoshi per byte, again, put your address after the live stream in the comments. I will send you some Satoshis if the mempool actually goes down to 1 Satoshi per byte. I will start spamming the network because Roger Ver is complaining that the Bitcoin transactions are too cheap and too low on Bitcoin. It's ruining his Bitcoin Cash. He can't make that claim that Bitcoin Cash is cheaper and faster and all this stuff. So please, please, let the mempool go down to 1 Satoshi per byte. Then I will start spamming the network and sending all of you like different Satoshis. And what you can do is you can do the same. With the amount of Satoshis I sent you, you can send 10 other people. And let's make a pyramid. Let's make a mempool pyramid. And you send every person that you send to encourage them to send 10 more. And then all those people encourage them to send, you know, to 10 more people the Satoshis, and we'll make a pyramid. We'll make a pyramid scheme. All right, just like BitConnect. All right, so that's the story of the week right here. Look at this mempool. Wow. Let's just scroll down here. Yeah, this is actually looks like normal usage. You get these weird spikes that come in. When you see these weird spikes, that's normal usage right here. But as the mempool just gets slowly eaten away, look at that. Mempool size in megabytes. Yeah, look at that. That's just slowly going away. So hopefully we can get down to 1 Satoshi per byte. And then I could send all of you great, wonderful tips. All right, let's go to on-chain FX, and we'll go over my top secret proprietary formulated list web trading bot, secret web trading bot. I don't have a web trading bot. Neither did BitConnect. But let's see here. So this is what's going on right now. Usually I would have flagged for shorts here. This is the bond trading view. This view created by James Bond, Bitcoin Live. List of top 55 coins and tokens compared to Bitcoin percentage and all-time high. Flagged for shorts. Now usually I would have a list of coins here for you to flag and to short to get more Bitcoin. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what to do. Just go down to percentage from all-time high right here. Click on that, and then it'll tell you which coins that you should be shorting. So first on the list is Populous. Man, if you have Populous, dump it now because you're going to get so much Bitcoin. It's ridiculous. Ethereum. Oh my goodness, Ethereum's going up. You should dump that as well. You're going to get so much Bitcoin right now. Like, understand what happened the last time Ethereum kind of, you know, had their little bull run, and Bitcoin was kind of just, it wasn't down, but it wasn't moving in price. You were, you know, people, if you do the chart, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you were going to get more Bitcoin, and if you did that, and then Bitcoin skyrocketed to $20,000. You would have been rich. So here's your chance. Go ahead and dump some of these altcoins. Get yourself some Bitcoin right now. And then when these altcoins basically kind of just stabilize or start going down compared to Bitcoin, they'll stabilize in price. But if you compare it to Bitcoin, they'll start tanking. And then Bitcoin's going to start skyrocketing. Oh, eventually, over time. So there's Ethereum. Number 3 is Neo. Neo, go ahead and just dump that because it's a worthless token anyway. And Ethereum on steroids, EOS, is rounding up at number 4. And then 0x, which that's how much the coin is worth, 0 is rounding up at number 5. And look at that, Steam. Steam just there. Steam is totally fake, but anyways, those are the top 5 coins you should be dumping to get more Bitcoin. Because it's probably about the most amount of Bitcoins you'll ever get for these coins right now. Anyways, let's go on. What's next after that? Let's do, let me see. Going to a trade block. Let's see what's going on over there. See what's going over there with the mempool. Wow. All right. According to trade block, the mempool. Wow. Look at that. In the last 7 days, it's really been low. We're getting back to some normalcy where the mempool is really low and you can actually do 1 Satoshi per byte and get your, look at that, 44.44 for a fee, 5.4 for a fee right here. You see that? 5.52 for a fee, a 5.52 for a fee right here, 0.2577 for a fee. Look at these. And it's actually really slow. Look how slow it is. All these people are overpaying. I can tell you that right now. So look at that, 1,957 transactions in the mempool. Once every 10 minutes, in about 10 minutes, a block will be found. And then this will just clear out to almost nothing. This will clear out to almost nothing. Look at this, 5.89 Satoshis per byte. You're seeing some 5.01 Satoshi per byte. So you're seeing some low fees, 2.15 right there, 2.15 Satoshis per byte. So pretty low fees, 5.04, 5.26, 11. So these people are way overpaying. Look at this. This is ridiculous. All right. Let's finally go to a chart analysis. Let me see here. Block. Oh no. Bitcoin. There we go. While that's loading, let's see what you all are saying up here. Refresh that as well. All right, so we started off a new week and we are making a red candlestick for the week. Just looking at this, nothing's really changed. Look at this. Look, there's nothing. There's very little body on this. Although it ended up green, but it's not really that green, is it? It's still pretty low. And now we're into the new week, and it's already a red candle. We'll see what happens. You might want to start putting some buy orders at $8,836.90. Maybe even a little bit up higher than that. You know, stratify it. Put some in you know, spread out your market order so you can actually get a trade if you're trading on the exchanges. Let's go into the 1 hour. Let's take a look. All right, Brad Taylor says lots of laughs to my fist bomb. All right. Oh goodness, let's do some more emojis here. Sometimes having emojis is fun. And where is Mr. Ball? Mr. Ball left. Well, that sucks. Mr. Ball always leaves. He missed out on all the fun. Let me see. What are some of the emojis that I want to express myself? Hey, Hiroja. No more bike talk. I love my bike, though. Let me see here. Let's do the strong hand. Strong hand. Strong hand. All right, let's do the strong hand, people. We'll do the strong hand. And then what else? Where's the buy and hold? What can I do for the buy and hold? What other funny one can I do? Let me see here. Let me see. Can I get some football, soccer? Where's the bicycle? Oh, here's a bicycle. Here's a bicycle. And we got some bicycle. we're having fun with the emojis now. Hiroja says, metal tone number 4, kissing heart, z sleeping, point up to tone 4, pray, point down, alien, bacon, bacon, and bacon. Good enough for me. All right, so let's go back to the chart analysis here. We'll go on to the 1 hour on Bitstamp, and we'll take a look at what is going on here. Okay, so let's make a line. Let's make a line. Oh, how come I didn't make a line? Come on, make a line. There we go. Wow. Well, that looks like it is definitely broken down to the downside. You can see the moving averages has also crossed on over, making a death cross, and it's actually acting as a resistance here. We'll have to see what the other ones go, but this is just short term. It doesn't really mean anything. It's just this little movement in price. But you see, it's not really moving up, is it? It's just barely breaking above this, barely moving. I mean, it really needs to break above this price right here, 13,000. This is the price where you want to be breaking. These price movements here, they look very weak, very anemic, in my opinion. That's not a bull market. You know, bull market price goes up strong, making new all-time high. Good night, Brian. You have a good one. All right, so on the 12-hour, you can see that it is, well, it's bouncing up, but it's still below the longer-term moving average. And you can see right here, and I guess to some degree right here with only 2 candlesticks, but you can see right here, it's a resistance. We'll have to see if it breaks down any lower, or if it can break up higher. It can break out of this moving average resistance here. But the market is bearish right now. The market is bearish on the 12-hour. Let's have a look on the 1 day. All right, the 1 day is showing in between the 2 moving averages. Right now, the spot price really is at that moving average right here, this shorter term moving average. This is probably going to become a resistance, and this is where is this price at 12,581. We'll see if it hits it. Again, it really has to break above this, and then of course break above this. So it has to break above the 13,000 right here, has to break above 17,000, and has to break above 20,000. A lot of headwinds, a lot of headwinds. Let's look at the 3-day. Wow, on the 3-day, the price is definitely below the still below the 2 moving averages. Matter of fact, you can see where it hit up against the short-term moving average right here on this candlestick, and then it has gone down. So it's definitely reacting as a resistance, and I'm telling you, in a couple more days, probably this week, this may become a death cross. What does that mean? Oh my goodness, the death cross. The death cross. Oh goodness. Maybe we should all sell our Bitcoins right now. All right, let's have a look at this. I think we're still trending downwards. It still looks like it's trending downwards, because if it hasn't pushed up higher at this point, I would look for a price depreciation. If people can not push the price up, then that means they can't support the price at current levels, which means the price will have to be going down, because people are probably realizing the price will not go back up, and they're going to be eager to exit out of their position. Anyways, that is my chart analysis. Pretty grim, huh? I know it looks grim. All right. Anyways, let's go back to the hot mom, the mempool, and the shrinking mempool here, and let the little kids play with their baby transactions with their satoshis. That is pretty much what's happening right now. So does the mempool and the price correlate? I don't know. I don't think they correlate, but it's shocking to see how empty the mempool is. Either people aren't spamming, or the spamming is not very cost effective, and people are realizing that. And man, that mom looks really hot. That's such a little pool for a baby. The mempool is shrinking, everyone. The mempool is shrinking. Anyways, this concludes this episode. Don't forget to put in your address in the comment section so I can send you some satoshis if and when the mempool goes down to 1 satoshi per byte. So anyways, like, dislike, leave a comment, or even do a video response. Until next time, everyone, stay tuned. All right. Bye-bye now. Talk to you later. Until next time. Or check out some of my videos that I have coming up about my awesome, rad Rover bicycle. Anyways, bye now.